Maths, the subject most of us are worried about. Do you know why? Because either we missed or messed up with the basics. So, let's learn the basics and regain our confidence. We use many numbers for counting in daily routine. There are even numbers and odd numbers as well. All these are a part of natural number system. Number system? Natural number system? What does it mean? Shall we learn? Natural numbers. All the numbers that are used for counting are called as natural numbers. The natural numbers are denoted by capital N. N equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The smallest natural number is 1 and the greatest could not be determined. The difference between any two consecutive natural numbers is 1. Successor. The number right next to the present number is called as the successor, also known as the number that comes after the present number. So, successor is equal to present number plus 1. Predecessor. The number comes before the present number is called as the predecessor. Predecessor is the previous number to the present number. So, predecessor is equal to present number minus 1. How many natural numbers are there between A and B? The number of natural numbers between A and B are B minus A minus 1 when A is less than B. Example: find the number of natural numbers between 1 and 10. When we say between, we have to omit 1 and 10, then count the numbers falling between them. So if you omit 1 and 10 and then count the rest of the numbers, you're going to count the numbers from 2 to 9 only, which gives 10 minus 1 minus 1, which is 8. How many number of natural numbers are there from A to B? The number of natural numbers from A to B are B minus A plus 1 when A is less than B. Example: find the number of natural numbers from 1 to 10. When we are saying from 1 to 10, we have to include 1 and 10 as well. Start counting the numbers from 1 to 10, which gives you 10. So the number of natural numbers from 1 to 10 are 10 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 10. Even numbers. Even. What does it mean? The natural numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are known as the even numbers. Even numbers are denoted by E. E equals to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Let's learn some very important points of even numbers. What is the smallest even number? The smallest even number is 2 and the greatest could not be determined. What is the difference between any two consecutive even numbers? The difference between any two consecutive even numbers is 2. The difference between any two even numbers is even number. Similarly, the sum of any two even numbers is even number. The product of any two even numbers is also an even number. Odd numbers? Odd? What does it mean? The natural numbers leaves a remainder 1 when divided by 2 are known as the odd numbers. All the odd numbers are denoted by O. So the set of odd numbers O equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. What is the smallest odd number? The smallest odd number is 1 and the greatest could not be determined. What is the difference between any two consecutive odd numbers? The difference between any two consecutive odd numbers is 2. The difference between any two odd numbers is even number. The difference between any two odd numbers is even number. The sum of any two odd numbers is even number. The sum of any two odd numbers is even number. The product of any two odd numbers is odd number. The product of any two odd numbers is odd number. Sum of even and odd numbers is odd number. Sum of even and odd numbers is odd number. The product of even and odd number is even number. The product of even and odd number is even number. Hope you understand the concepts discussed just before. If you don't, watch again until you get it. Let's keep up the same spirit and get into the next concept.